Keenan, if today's meeting goes anything like yesterday, we could have 3 boosters on the market by the end of the month. And if you are eligible, experts might recommend you switch it up. So if you got Johnson & Johnson the first time around, they might tell you to opt for a Pfizer booster. Rock solid data pushing Moderna's booster to the finish line.
We do have a unanimous 19 out of 19 yes votes, and that concludes the voting portion.
While the FDA did vote unanimously to recommend the third shot, the criteria on who can get it is narrow. You're only eligible if you're over the age of 65 or 18 and older but considered high risk, either because you have an underlying health condition or you work in a place with a high potential for exposure to the virus.
According to Moderna's data, antibody levels really jumped considerably following the third dose, an impressive 42-fold rise.
In just a few hours, the panel will meet again to review the safety data on Johnson & Johnson's booster. They'll also look at the benefits of mixing vaccines. Dr. Amit Nandi says it's going to be a difficult day of deliberation, considering vaccine protection still remains relatively high for most people with just 2 doses.
If we look at the numbers, 103 million Americans are vaccinated with Pfizer's vaccine, 69 million with Moderna, and 15 million with J&J. And so far, breakthrough cases are still uncommon.
While boosters are crucial for higher risk Americans, health experts say we can't forget about the 66 million people who still haven't gotten any vaccine at all.
The people who are in the ICU aren't there because they haven't gotten a third dose. They're there because they haven't gotten any dose.
Protecting our younger populations is next on the horizon. President Biden says he already has a rollout plan for the vaccine if the FDA grants it emergency use authorization.
If authorized, we are ready. We have purchased enough vaccines for all children between the ages of 5 and 11 in the United States.
Well, if the FDA and the CDC sign off on this next week, the Moderna booster would be available to that same high-risk group that are now eligible for the Pfizer booster. Live in Royal Oak, I'm Alex Bozargian, 7 Action News.